We are going to see the fifth experiment of Power System Simulation Laboratory about the symmetrical and unsymmetrical fault analysis. There are several types of unsymmetrical faults. They are single line to ground fault, line to line fault and double line to ground fault. For each and every fault, there will be different formulas. As given here, there will be different formulas, and by using these formulas, we have to find the output value and write the programs. Here we can take the problem. For the problem, first we can see for the symmetrical fault, they have given the reactance for generator, motor and transformer. They also given the terminal voltage of generator, then current value. Here is the equivalent circuit we have drawn, and by using these formulas we can get the output value of current. And now we can see the problem for unsymmetrical fault. Here also they have given the subtransient reactance, negative and zero reactance value. There are three types of faults: line to ground, line to line and double line to ground. For each and every fault, there is a formula difference. We have to see the formula and we have to write. In this matrix, A value is 1 angle 120 degree and A square value is 1 angle 240 degree. For line to line fault also, there is a different formulas. We can calculate the final fault value by multiplying this base value. And for line to line fault also, we can calculate the phase voltage value. And for double line to ground value, we have to calculate the fault current value. There are formula differences and output voltage values are also different. Now we can see the program. We have to clear the command window and we have to type the command in new M file. I have already typed here and therefore I just take the program. Here for different types of fault, symmetrical and unsymmetrical fault, I have given input. Then for symmetrical fault also, we have to type all the input values given in the problem. And for unsymmetrical fault also, there are different types. There is single line to ground, line to line and double line to ground. For each and every types, there will be different formulas and output values we can obtain. First, we can get the output for symmetrical fault. The reactance of the generator is 0.15 J. Reactance for transformer is 0.1J. Reactance for motor is 0.35J. Current value is 0.8 plus 0.6J. Terminal voltage is 0.9 and power factor value is 0.8. We can get the output here. Similarly, we can run again for unsymmetrical fault. There are different types. For single line to ground fault, the value of Z0 given in the problem is 0.25J. Z1 is 0.35J. Z2 is 0.1J. We can get the output. Similarly, for the same program, we can get the output for unsymmetrical fault, line to line fault value. Here also, Z0 value is 0.25J. Z1 is 0.35J. Z2 is 0.1J. And we can get the different outputs. Similarly, we can get the output for double line to ground fault. Here also, Z0 is 0.25J. Z1 is 0.35J. Z2 is 0.1J. And we can get the output. Thus, for the different types of fault, we can get the output in the same program.